So today I'm going to be putting this air compressor, 30-gallon air compressor, into the truck over here. So, I've got my fuel tank, and now I'm just going to go ahead and put my air compressor back there in the back. So I'm going to be using the E42 to pick it up and swing it in there. So basically this is where I'm at now. I had to get the strap around it and then pick it up. So I'm going to pick it up and just swing it into the bed of the truck. So I'll go ahead and get started now. Alright, let's begin. Get it over the bed of the truck. Let's see. Whoa. Get it just where I need it before I swing it in. It's just scratching the muffler, I think, a little bit. Now I gotta turn it around. That's the only problem. Yeah, I think it's gonna turn itself around a little bit. Let's see. Went down a little harder than I would have liked. Just a little bit. Got ourselves in a situation here where I have to move back. I mean, it's a very heavy air compressor. Move it around a little bit. This thing is very heavy. It's in there now. Well, it's in there now. I can't move it all the way back because this part here is in the way and I don't want the plate to run into the glass, so I can't get it further back. So what I'm going to have to do is unbolt it and put that bolt here to move the whole thing and where it's flush. Then I can worry about sliding it back some more and bolting it down. I don't know how heavy this thing is. It's pretty heavy, but otherwise it's in there. It's just a matter of sliding it back a little more and getting it in there. Yeah, it's in there now. Now that I've backed it into the shop, I put a strap on it just so that it doesn't fall back into the glass. So now I'm just going to start by taking these bolts off in the back. That way I can get to everything and get that bolt out on the top up there. So this whole panel comes off, and then it allows me to get to it.